Hello everyone and welcome. I'm Bernd Harengel and today we are diving into the complex and multi-faced role of a program manager. Program managers play a crucial role in the success of large-scale initiatives, yet they often face unique challenges, especially when they lack direct disciplinary power, missing authority. Let's explore these challenges and how you can develop the skills needed to excel in this role. Program managers oversee multiple related projects, ensuring they are aligning with the strategy goals of the organization. Unlike project managers, program managers must coordinate across various projects, balancing resources and managing interdependencies without having direct authority over the project teams. This requires a specific set of skills and approaches. I'm a program manager too, and often I see there are really hurdles and problems without the right power to say, let's move forward in this direction. One of the biggest challenges for program managers is managing without direct authority. This means they need to rely heavily on their influence and negotiation skills to drive projects forward. Building strong relationships with project managers, stakeholders is essential. Let's break down some key strategies for managing these challenges effectively. Building influence and trust is critical. Program managers need to establish credibility with their teams and stakeholders. This involves clear communication, demonstrating expertise, and consistently showing commitment to the program's success. Regular meetings, transparent reporting, and being approachable can help building this trust. Secondly, effective negotiation skills are a must. Program managers often have to negotiate for resources, timelines, and priorities. This requires a deep understanding of each project needs and the ability to balance them against the overall program goals. Being able to find win-win solutions and mediating conflicts is a crucial part in this role. Now let's talk about some specific skills that are essential for program managers. These include strategic thinking, communication, and risk assessment. Strategic thinking is about seeing the big picture and understanding how different projects interconnect. It involves setting long-term goals, aligning projects with these goals, and making decisions that support the overall strategy. Communication skills are vital for ensuring everyone is on the same page. This includes clear and concise verbal and written communication, as well as active listening. Being able to tailor your communication style to different audiences, whether it's executives or project teams, is also important. Risk assessment is another key area. Program managers need to identify potential risk early, assess their impact, and develop mitigation strategies. This proactive approach helps in minimizing disruption and keeping the program on track. Another essential aspect of a program manager's role is managing the program through its entire life cycle. This involves 3 phases: definition, development, and closure. In the definition phase, you clarify and solidify the program's objectives, the scope, the strategic alignment. This includes conducting feasibility studies and high-level planning. The development phase is where detailed planning and execution happen. This involves creating detailed project plans, stakeholder engagement, communication and reporting, and change management. Finally, in the closure phase, you finalize and close the project, ensuring that all deliverables meet quality standards, benefits are realized, and knowledge is transferred effectively. Let's consider a real-world example. Imagine you are a program manager overseeing a large-scale digital transformation initiative. This program includes multiple projects such as, for example, IT infrastructure updates, software development, and employee training. You don't have direct authority over the project teams, but you need to ensure all projects are completed on time within the budget. Your role involves coordinating with project managers, aligning their work with the strategic objectives, and managing the interdependencies and the problems. You might face challenges like resource constraints, conflicting priorities, or resistance to change. Building influence, strategic thinking, and effective communications. You can navigate these challenges and drive the program to success. Effective program management ensures that interrelated projects are aligned with strategic goals. Resources are optimized and benefits are realized. This holistic approach provides value by ensuring that the sum of all projects is greater as the isolated or single parts. Program managers must also focus on governance, aligning program objectives with organizational strategy and managing stakeholder engagement to ensure all interests are addressed throughout the whole program. So how can Project Vitamins, our channel here, help you develop these skills? Our channel is dedicated to providing you with the essential vitamins to strengthen your project and program management capabilities. Here's how we can support your growth as a program manager. We offer webinars, tutorials focused on strategic planning, communication techniques, and advanced risk management. Our practical guides provide step-by-step instructions on building influence, negotiating effectively, and managing complex programs without direct authority. And additionally, we share best practices from industry experts and real-world examples to illustrate how successful program managers navigate their challenges. by following our content, you will gain valuable insights and tools that you can apply directly to your work. Mastering the role of a program manager requires a combination of strategic vision, strong interpersonal skills, and the ability to manage complexity. With the right tools and insights, you can excel in this role and make a significant impact on your organization's success. Thanks for joining me today. If you found our discussion on the role of a program manager helpful, you won't want to miss our next video. We will continue to explore practical strategies and tools to enhance your management skills. In our next video, we will dive deeper into the practical examples and tools to help you navigate the complexity of project and program management. Please click subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on our practical insights. I'm looking forward to helping you master these critical management roles. In our next video, we will explore project and change management as a career path. We will discuss the significance of these skills in modern business and why they are increasingly in demand. Don't miss it. Thank you for watching, and remember, stay equipped, stay informed, and keep growing with Project Vitamins. See you in the next video. Bye bye. We will discuss different aspects, what skills are necessary to have a bright and shining future.